Number 8.
Walkera Voyager 3. Walkera Voyager 3 is a drone developed by a modern technology company called Walkera. The drone has a GPS and GLONASS dual navigation copter, allowing incredible user experiences for those who are older than 14 years old and have some experience already with the usage of drones. It has a 3-axis gimbal, which allows you to make a stable video footage with real-time video feeds on the F12E RC controller. The drone has a 360-degree camera view only by flipping a switch. It has a wingspan of 13.6 inches and is quite heavy in terms of weight, weighing around 3.6 kilograms or 8 pounds. This drone is made up of ABS plastic, carbon fiber, and aluminum to ensure higher resistance to falls or crashes. The propellers and arms are made from carbon fiber. This drone can record 4K videos at 30 frames per second and 1080 pixel clips at 60 frames per second. It has a 3000 mAh 8S battery, allowing a flight time of just over 20 minutes, and has a transmitter equipped with 12 channels of 2.4 GHz with an FPV monitor.
Number 7.
DJI Mavic Pro Drone. DJI Mavic Pro Drone has a flight time of 27 minutes and a flight control range of around 7 kilometers. It has physical stabilization with 3-axis gimbal, 4K video resolution, and has a maximum speed of 65 kilometers per hour in sports mode. It has a 12-megapixel camera, a GPS GLONASS sensors, provides HD footage up to 120 FPS, 4K video at 30 frames per second, and ultimately C4K up to 24 frames per second. It supports a micro SD card of 128 gigabytes, has a battery of 3830 mAh LiPro 3S, an operating frequency of 2.4 GHz, and speed of around 14 kilometers per hour in normal mode. The drone is highly portable and easily foldable with average dimension design, has automatic gesture controls for selfies or other tasks. This drone also offers super slow time-lapse shots at a speed of 2 miles per hour. The cost of this drone is $999.
Number 6.
DJI Inspire 1 Pro. The DJI Inspire 1 Pro is a quadcopter which provides bird's eye footage. This drone has a lens of 15mm and 45mm focal length and has a single battery of 6S 5700 mAh,